And she says, do you have to pay Mahr if the marriage was not consummated in a divorce case? Well, this is an issue of dispute. In Islam or in the Qur'an, we are told that if a man consummates the marriage, he must not take a penny from her dowry, and it's fully hers. So this is understood. Also in the Quran it says that if you were to divorce a woman without consummating the marriage, then she has no iddah, there's no waiting period. And another verse that she deserves half of the dowry, not the full thing. And this is what made the scholars differ among them. Without going into details, the vast majority of scholars say that if a woman was divorced before the marriage was consummated, before being alone or in contact with the husband, then there is no iddah, there's no waiting period, and he cannot reconcile with her, and half of the dowry has to be allocated and given to her. This is what they say. What about if the marriage was not consummated, but they were both alone in a locked room? Well, this is a different issue. The vast majority of scholars say that there is a iddah upon the woman if divorced, and the dowry is fully hers. The man objects, hey, wait. I didn't consummate the marriage. I didn't have intercourse with her. We say, yes, but the understanding of almost, if not all of the companions who understand the Qur'an and the Sunnah better than us, it's almost consensus of the companions, reported by Umar, by Ali, by great number of companions, that whenever the room is locked, the drapes are down, the curtains are down, and nobody is allowed in the chamber other than the man and his wife, and they're alone, then the marriage is consummated, even if he did not touch her, because I don't know what's happening inside. So for the benefit of the doubt, this is considered to be marriage consummation, and she's entitled for the whole Mahr, and Allah knows best.